Zencoder just launched Zenflow Work, and it uses AI to actually get work done for you. Every Monday, I spend the first hour of my day just gathering data from different places before my actual work can begin. But I want to show you using Zenflow Work, that hour can disappear. AI can take care of it in seconds for me. So Zenflow Work ships with a bunch of templates, pre-built workflows for products, for sales, for marketing. Let me just grab one of them here. We'll do this Jira Standup Brief. So this template, every morning at 8 a.m., it searches my Jira project, it groups by what moved, and it writes a 5-bullet summary. Again, this would have taken me a while to get done before, but AI can do it automatically for me every day. And I'm gonna just kick it off here right now. So now AI is doing that workflow for me. And the beauty of AI is while AI is working on that one, I can get other work done. And while that first one's working, I'm gonna start a second one. And this one, I wanna do a custom one. Let's do Sprint Dashboard Sync. So in this one, I want to take all the issues from Jira that are in progress or done, and then I want to send them over to Notion in the Sprint dashboard with a table. Again, I can have it run automatically. I'm going to kick it off right now. So now I have 2 agents running on both of those at once. Then I'll get a third one going, Sprint Retro Data. So this one, it takes the current sprint in Jira, it puts it together and calculates the completion rate by team member, then it puts that in Notion as well. So now these 3 agents are working on this all at the same time. And again, there are tons of templates in here that you can use. You can integrate with all the tools you use on a daily basis, Jira, Linear, Amplitude, Sentry. It's in early access, but you can integrate with Gmail, Google Calendars, Google Drive, and new integrations, new templates coming every week. Even integrate with Slack and Telegram and Discord. So, and after just a few minutes of AI working in the background, we have all 3 tasks are done. So we have this stand-up brief that pulled from Jira. We got this sprint dashboard put together that it already put into Notion for me. And it got this sprint retro data that it also put into nicely formatted into Notion for me already. So again, this would have taken me at least 30, 45 minutes. I got AI going on it with Zenflow Work done in the background without me having to think about it. So Zenflow Work is live, 6 integrations production ready, more to come, lots of templates for you to try out. You can download it yourself, zencoder.ai. You can download it and try it out for yourself. Just define what done is, Zenflow will take care of the rest. Go try it out. We'll talk to you later.